Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great today. In this video, I want to show you how to unlock your iPhone XR from Sprint. Alright everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock your iPhone XR from Sprint so that you can use it on another carrier. So you may need to travel outside of your country and use the phone with another carrier, or you may just want to be able to have the freedom to choose whichever carrier and plan you want to use, so that you don't have to have the restriction of just using one carrier. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock it, and at the moment, this is the only way to unlock your iPhone XR from Sprint. Alright, so I'm going to have all the information and resources down below in the description to the tool that we're going to be using for this video. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so here we have it. This is the iPhone XR. This one is from Sprint. As you can see, it says Sprint up here. It has a Sprint SIM card in there, which I'll remove right now. So I'm going to show you how to unlock it so that you can use it on any other carrier. So let's go ahead and show you how it's done. First off, let's go ahead and remove the original Sprint SIM card that's in here. As you can see, that's Sprint. Alright, so now I'm going to show you what happens when you put in another SIM card that's from another carrier to a phone that's locked. So for example, in this video, I'm going to be using a T-Mobile SIM card. So we're going to place it right here in the SIM card tray of the iPhone XR, and let's install it. Okay, so automatically it's going to take us right to this screen right here, which is activation screen. This is activation required. So we're going to go ahead and hit dismiss, connect to Wi-Fi, very important, and then follow through the prompts here once you're connected to Wi-Fi. And then it's going to give us this message right here, which is SIM not supported. So this is the message that you're going to be getting if your iPhone is locked and you want to use it on another carrier. So I'm going to show you now how we're going to unlock this so that we can use it with any carrier that you want to use it with. All right, so let's go ahead and remove the SIM card that we inserted in here. Let's place it down, the T-Mobile SIM. All right, so now I'm going to show you how we're going to unlock it. What we're going to be using is this special unlock chip. This white unlock chip. This is the one that you need if you want to unlock an iPhone XR or XS Max, because since the new iPhones have a new style SIM card tray, which the SIM card goes in invertedly, you know, these are the best unlock chips to use on the new XR and XS Max models. So I'm going to show you now how we're going to unlock it. We're going to place the unlock chip in here in the SIM card tray. It looks like any other SIM card. Here, let me put it next to the T-Mobile SIM card. So this is the T-Mobile SIM card right here. This is the unlock chip. You know, it's the same thing. It's just a SIM card. But you got to make sure you get the right one. And like I said, we're going to have a link to it down below in the description. So we're going to place the unlock chip in the SIM card tray. We're going to place it in the iPhone XR. And then once again, it's going to take us here to the activation screen. We're going to follow the prompts once again. And once again, it is going to give us this message, but don't worry, now that we have the unlock chip in here, we're going to unlock it. So all you got to do it, once you see this message now, is hit the power button, hold it until the emergency menu comes up, and then hit emergency call. Here in emergency call, we're going to dial star 5005 star 7672 star 00 pound. Once you have that dialed in correctly, hit the green dial button. And it's going to automatically take us to input the ICCID. We're going to have the correct ICCID down below in the description as well. And let's type that in. Alright, so once you have that typed in correctly, go ahead and hit send. It's going to give us this message here that it says done, and hit accept down here. Once you do that, just go ahead and power the phone off, hold the volume and the power button, and the turn off switch will appear. Swipe to turn off. So after a few seconds, once the phone is off, let's go ahead and power it back on. And another thing to keep in mind is that when you order the unlock chip, you will get the updated ICCID always, as well as email customer support. All right, so it's going to take us to the activation screen here. Once you turn it on, once again, we're going to hit continue, follow the prompts. But this time, since we have the unlock chip in there and the correct ICCID, it's going to unlock your iPhone XR. And there we go. It took us straight through the activation, and the phone is now unlocked. So now we're free to remove the unlock chip. So here's the unlock chip. Let's put that down. And let's go ahead and put in the T-Mobile SIM card, this time once again. And the good thing now is that you don't have to have any unlock chip in there anymore. You just put it in once, unlock it, and now you just place whichever SIM card you want to use into your SIM card tray. Give it a second or two for it to pick up signal. There you go. It's trying to read the SIM card. And as you can see, it says T-Mobile, and it's trying to pick up service. There you go. So the phone is now unlocked. So you can use the phone now with any carrier pretty much that you want to use, since it is unlocked. And that is the simplest way to unlock your iPhone XR from Sprint. So hope that video helped you out. Go ahead and give it a like if it did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And as always, peace.